So what are you doing, dear?
Digging a poop spot.
A poop spot. How deep you going?
I don't know, 8, 10 inches maybe.
That's a lot of poop. Are we gonna be here a few days?
Probably.
So what happens when we leave?
You can cover it back up. Here's the top section.
Yep. So do you leave your toilet paper in the hole?
Nope. Pack it out.
Pack it out. Hopefully you find some gold in there. At least it's sand, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, here's the potty spot. We are ending our time at Camp Atlanta up in the northern part of Michigan, and it's time to finish breaking down camp, which means we need to take care of the potty. And earlier you guys saw that we dug a 6 to 8 inch, it was probably more like a foot deep cat hole to go potty in. We did not leave our toilet paper in there, just strictly potty. And now we're going to go in and we're going to take care of the cat hole. Let's get this toilet off of here, and we will start digging the sand back in there and cover it up. You can see we barely filled this up, so there'll be no problem covering this back up. So we've got the sand filled back in. Now we're going to take the grass piece, the sod, kind of put that back in there. There it is. We give it a little squishy squish. We don't want any animals to come along and dig this up, and we don't want anybody to kind of step on it either. We're going to mark it with a rock. So here we've left a little rock to cover up the spot, and this spot we would give a 4.5 out of 5 stars out of a place that we definitely would poop again at.